Because we're such a diverse group, I usually kind of like to give an overview of what the roles are because we're everywhere. I mean, we might be at we were at Island Park or we might be over at Tribal Ops. So our team gets asked to do a lot. And sometimes I think I forget even to say thank you enough for how much it is. Sheik is a waitstaff member in banquets. And banquets is one of those departments. I mean, we're doing food for the potluck up on the hill for Tribal Ops this weekend. So you never know what they're going to do. And Sheik actually was nominated by Vicki Irish, his supervisor, who noted, "I'd like to nominate Mashika Floyd for Employee of the Month. He has an outgoing personality and is ready to assist any banquet waitstaff when in need. I've observed him interacting with patrons at banquet events and is always on top of beverage service and anything else they might request. Concert after concert, Mashika is one of our top performers." I'll add to that if you've ever gone to the outdoor concerts, the banquet team oversees that event, if you will. We just look at it as a giant event. And the waitstaff members get these coolers that they can fill with ice and beer and hopefully sell as much product on the hill as possible to help cut down on the lines up there. I've actually watched people come up asking, "Is that Sheik guy here anywhere? I want to get a beer from him." And he'll just go to the bartender and say, "Sell me a case of Bud Light," because really if there's a line and people say, "I want a Miller Lite," and I got Bud Light, I'll take it. And he'll just go walking out with the case, and I can't tell you how much I appreciate that no matter what you do, you see that big smile on his face and him taking care of our guests. Thanks, man. Well deserved.